Wow! Ah! You fall down? Sige, dampi. Katawan na siya ni Ezekiel. Ah! 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 He died. Let's go! May bisita na. Dali here. Oh. There's Matias. Kuya Matias. Tayo na. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, Tias. Look. He's sitting down. Daddy's cleaning. Let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go, go. He's fast. He's a super cat speed. No, I can't. Mommy's just walking. Look, we need to cut here, Matias. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Having fun. Afternoon. Dagan-dagan. Ang limpyo ang daddy. Cleaning our old car. Yes, daddy. Let's go here, Matias. Whoop. Whoop. Hey. Mong duha ka kwan oh, palangga. Mga palangga. Na si Kuya Tias, very fast. You need to rest? Hello. You're out of breath too. Yeah. Yeah, go play mo in there oh. Pag play mo ball ni Luis. Play ball mo pag play ball. Sila dre oh. Na mong bisita nga dal. Ay daddy naglimpyo sa iyang sakyanan. Well, dre apon mi gasamok-samok. Hoy, meron pa hambog na ihado ng shoes, new shoes that he bought. Ezekiel! Wow! What's that?
That's my daddy's shoes.
Daddy shoes and?
Mom's shoes.
Is that your new shoes?
Yeah.
Seems like too big for you.
I want to have that.
Hello, daddy's boots pod. Ano man sila way? Kanang naapod kay anak na dili pa alas. Tanawar ko daw. Wow! Be careful ha, someone's gonna fall down. See here, Matias, be. Look at her ni mama, be. Hoy!
Now let's show Dad.
Show down. Dad, show daw sila sa ilang new shoes. What do you think, Dad? You guys are silly. Ezekiel, be careful. Wow, you walk so funny. What happened?
We don't need these shoes.
You don't need little shoes?
Yeah, we don't need.
So you guys now wearing a mommy and daddy shoes?
Now we don't.
Hello. Now you're grown-ups?
Kids, but too much kids.
You are grown-up kids?
We buy I want.
Hello. Daddy, we are grown-up kids and we buy whatever I want.
Yeah.
That's what he said. Hello, are you grown-up?
Yeah, but I want.
You buy whatever you want.
Whatever I
I
want.
don't even get to buy whatever I want.
Yep, that's true.
Only me.
Only you.
Hello. That's what he's thinking about grown-ups. I can buy whatever I want. If you have money, but if you don't have money, you can't.
I can buy them.
You say, I'm grown-up and I can go to work and buy whatever I want.
Yeah, they are working.
Because you're good at working. You will regret when you're adult. Ezekiel, when you're adult, you're gonna have lots of need to pay bills. Now, enjoy for being kids.
I will not do that.
There's gonna have a lot of responsibilities. A lot of responsibilities.
No more cute.
So now you're a kid. Uy. Uy.
Now I'm getting to do.
Now you're playing a grown-up?
Yeah,
Walk daw, walk. How you walk daw? Be grown-up.
you need to walk.
You need to walk, but be careful. Look at the shoes. Too big. Ano na sila? Oh? Hello.
Now I make you.
New alot check. New haircut daw sila. Ay, nga tong haircut do. Murag na Yeah, you're eating good. Ako lang ipamove-an. Here, oh. Pirang ilang sa kuan taas lang. Oy, napurma pod. 5 little monkey, monkey, monkey. Yung mommy is kan. Akong gipanipsan ang kilid, tapos sa taas, taas lang. Pugi, Dabi, pugi, smile. Hi, monkey. Hello, oy, 5 little monkey, monkey, monkey. Burrito na bata. Naniod to ang kuya na glance si kuya. Oh, oy. Take this. Kaya eh.
I got 1 foot.
Oh, 1 foot pa daw.
I'm a peacock.
Oh, pihak, pikak. Pihak. Ulo, ulo. Wah! Burrito di kayo oy. Lo. How does superhero do daw?
Then turn to jack.
Ay,
Then it's your turn to bomb.
oy. Oh,
And this is the egg for making the and
wow.
fight.
Uy.
Did
Sa mukha noon nag-watch ko.
to make my short fight
Hala. That's how na superhero na?
thing. It's an engine.
It's an engine.
Yeah,
Oy,
to make
your goggles ba is very, it's upside down. Cheese Andre sa superhero.
Oh, let me.
Ay.
Oh, no.
Oh, go like this. Ho, ho. Ulo. Ay. Mabuta man tayo ni kalakyan niya. Ay. Hala. Superhero sabi, superhero. Wala, sleep si superhero.
I'm a telephone. I'm a telephone.
Ano? Superhero. Wow! Ooh! Ooh! He can fly! Ooh!
And I can fly.
So, if you really want my help solving this case, I don't know why you weren't Beijing with Brian.
Oh! Superhero fly! Oh! Burrito ni bataan eh. Uldan na, uldan na!
Did the engine to make my short fight.
Ano? Yaw sa itong gagalo yung nabaliktad.
What you guys doing? Seems like you guys having fun. Wow! Is Ellie is your horsey? They're playing with daddy. That's what they do. When daddy's home, it's fun time. I don't.
Ezekiel, what do you say? No, you say pick.
Pick it pa from mga puro toy.
No, you say it. Say pick it.
Oy! 2 versus 1. This is what happened. You have 3 choices. No, you have 3 choices. No, you have no choice. Hello. Hello.
You're attacking him. Now I'm attacking you.
Hello.
Careful, he's got a stick. He's dead.
Oh, he's a dead boy. Not in the ice, Ezekiel.
Love niya si Ellie ko. Do you love Ellie? Ezekiel? Ezekiel, you love Ellie?
Yeah.
Body daw siya ni Ellie. Tagaan na po niya bone. Oo. Sige niya tagag-bone si Ellie. Oh. This is what daddy get him in the local store all the time. Look, it's all gone now. You give him all?
No, I'm not making him bite. I'm biting get him by Jibbit.
Oh.
I'm biting get Ellie by
Love-love na niya si
Brian.
Ellie. Love-love na niya si Ellie. Good job, Ellie.
I need to track it one.
Did she just nibble, huh?
I need to track that one.
Okay.
Here.
Ellie. Kauna na Ellie.
Thank you for watching. Bunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.